Imagine floating through the silent void of space, tethered to nothing but cold, empty reality. Distance means safety in the cosmos, until you realize space isn't empty. It is curving downward into a deep, invisible well, pulling everything closer. You are drifting toward a black hole, the ultimate eraser of physical laws. Most people think falling into a black hole is a sudden, crushing, instant death. But the actual truth inside is far stranger and far more terrifying indeed. As you cross the event horizon, the boundary where light itself surrenders, reality breaks. Something horrifying happens to reality itself, altering the flow of time completely. To an observer watching you from a safe distance through a powerful telescope, you never actually enter the dark abyss of the black hole's gravity. They see your body slow down, frozen perfectly in time, at the boundary. You fade to a faint, ghostly red and hang there forever, trapped on edge. But for you, the journey has not stopped for a single moment. In fact, you have just breached a realm where space and time swap roles. Once you step over that phantom line, you are no longer moving through space. You cannot choose your destination or turn back to the outer universe. Inside the horizon, the center of the black hole is not a physical place. Instead, it has become a definitive point in your immediate future. Just as you cannot stop moving forward into tomorrow in normal daily life. Inside a black hole, you cannot stop moving toward the dense center. Every path, every direction you turn, points inward toward the inevitable singularity. Trying to fire your thrusters to fly outward would only accelerate your journey. It pushes you faster toward the destructive end of your space exploration. Look back over your shoulder, and the outside universe contracts into light. It becomes a tiny, brilliant circle of stellar light hovering far behind you. Because time is warped so violently, light from the entire future is falling. In your final moments, you might witness the birth and death of stars. You see the collision of entire galaxies playing out above your head. The ultimate end of the cosmos plays out like a hyperspeed movie. As you sink deeper, the gravitational gradient across your body becomes lethal. The gravity at your feet is vastly stronger than your gravity at your head. This extreme difference generates a process that astrophysicists call spaghettification. But the actual physical experience of this process is pure nightmare fuel. Your body is stretched into a thin strand of atoms smaller than hair. You are pulled vertically while being violently compressed horizontally by gravity. Yet, depending on the type of black hole, this nightmare differs greatly. If you fall into a stellar mass black hole, This stretching is instant. The violent tidal forces shred you miles before you hit the horizon. But if you plunge into a massive, colossal, supermassive black hole, a cosmic titan weighing billions of suns, the horizon is incredibly vast. The tidal forces here are gentle enough for you to survive crossing. You cross the boundary entirely conscious, feeling no immediate pain or pulling. You float inside the quiet, pitch-black interior, whole and intact for now. You remain intact for a few brief, silent, and highly terrifying minutes. You are fully aware that you are trapped inside a dark, cosmic tomb.
There is no possible escape, and no way to turn back home.
Total darkness surrounds you as you drift closer to the final point. The outer light is now completely gone, leaving only infinite black space. You wait in the quiet void, anticipating the final meeting with gravity. Every instrument on your suit goes completely dead, offering zero reading data. Silence dominates your thoughts as you sink toward the very ultimate heart. At the very heart of this monster lies the ultimate mystery. It is the Singularity, a place where our physics completely breaks down. This is a point of absolute infinite density in the cosmos. An enormous amount of mass is squeezed into zero physical volume. At this exact point, our current understanding of physics completely fails us. Quantum mechanics and general relativity clash, creating a massive theoretical contradiction. They leave a completely blank wall in the path of human knowledge. Some theoretical models suggest that crushed matter doesn't just vanish. It might bend the fabric of space so violently that it punches.
It punches clean through into another entirely different dimension of reality.
Could the Singularity be a doorway, an Einstein-Rosen bridge to somewhere? It might bleed matter out into another universe through a white hole. Or does information simply get scrambled and trapped forever on the boundary?
It leaves quantum ghosts of everything that ever fell into the dark.
We simply do not know what truly happens at the absolute bottom. No message, no light, and no signal can ever cross back over. Nothing can tell us what lies at the bottom of the abyss. The secret remains locked deep inside the absolute darkness of space. Only the black hole itself knows the truth of its inner mechanics. It keeps its secrets guarded behind an impenetrable wall of gravity. We can only look from afar and wonder about the hidden physics. The ultimate truth is shielded from our telescopes and theoretical mathematics. And so, the mystery of the Singularity remains completely unsolved today. Black holes are not just cosmic monsters lurking in the dark shadows. They are the powerful engines that sculpt beautiful, massive stellar galaxies. They hold entire complex stellar architectures together through immense gravitational power.
Every major galaxy, including our own Milky Way, orbits a central leviathan. A supermassive black hole sleeps quietly in the very center of home.
We live on the fringe of a universe governed by invisible giants. Their mysterious interiors defy human logic, order, and time itself. The deeper we look into the dark, the more we realize. We see how incredibly fragile our quiet corner of existence really is. We are just a small speck in a vast, dark, cosmic ocean. If you love exploring the deepest, most mind-bending mysteries of our universe, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more deep cosmic journeys. Turn on the notification bell to never miss a new space exploration. We upload one new deep dive video every single day for you. Click that bell to join our next amazing journey into the unknown.